The hard days are what make you stronger. If you believe it'll work out, you'll see opportunities. If you don't believe it'll work out, you'll see obstacles. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. You can waste your lives drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. You got to get up every morning with determination if you're going to go to bed with satisfaction. I now tried a new hypothesis. It was possible that I was more in charge of my happiness than I was allowing myself to be. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. The miracle is not that we do this work, but we are happy to do it. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. If you work on something a little bit every day, you end up with something that is massive. The big secret in life is that there is no secret. Whatever your goal, you can get there if you're willing to work. Sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think you've been buried, but you've actually been planted. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Don't quit yet. The worst moments are usually followed by the most beautiful silver linings. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Whatever you are, be a good one. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Invest in your dreams. Grind now, shine later. I realize that I don't have to be perfect. All I have to do is show up and enjoy the messy, imperfect, and beautiful journey of my life. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Be a first-rate version of yourself instead of a second-rate version of somebody else. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. I always did something I was a little not ready to do. I think that's how you grow. When there's that moment of, wow, I'm not really sure I can do this, and you push through those moments, that's when you have a breakthrough.